Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called hundredweight, or briefly abbreviated as CWT. Yeah, hundredweight or CWT is a unit of measurement used to define the quantities of certain commodities being bought and sold. It is used in some commodity trading contracts. Pricing by hundredweight also is a standard option for shipping packages that takes up less than an entire truckload. Usage of hundredweight more generally has declined in favor of contract specification in either pounds or kilograms. The value of hundredweight differs in its American and British usages. In US, a hundredweight is a unit of measure equal to 100 pounds. In UK, hundredweight is a unit of mass equal to 112 pounds. The two values are sometimes distinguished by referring to an American hundredweight as a short hundredweight and a British hundredweight as a long hundredweight. The short hundredweight is also sometimes called centel. Understanding the hundredweight has been used as a measurement of mass in Europe since the late medieval era. Traders bought and sold goods like wax, sugar, and pepper in hundredweight, although the precise amount that meant at that time could be 100 pounds or 108 pounds. Since 1340, when King Edward III changed the official definition of 1 stone to 14 pounds, 100 weight as equal to 8 stone or 112 pounds. The abbreviation CWT refers to centum or central weight, meaning 100 weight. This was set in law in 1800 and as 112 pounds. In US and Canada, 100 weight then and now is only 100 pounds. Thanks for watching. Bye.